Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I'm just going to be doing a simple lamp makeover. I have this gorgeous lamp here that is beautifully shaped. However, we're wanting it to look more coastal, so we're going to be changing the color of it and adding a little distressing. So let's get started. Okay, the very first step is you want to make sure that your lamp is clean and go ahead and remove the lamp shade. What we're using here is some Annie Sloan chalk paint. This is in the color French linen. And we're just going to do a real quick coverage over the entire surface of the lamp. Once we have it completely covered, we're going to let it dry for just a few minutes. And then we're going to come back in and do a second coat. Now that that coat is dry, we're going back in with a second coat. Although we're going to be doing a distressed look on this lamp base, we do want to have a good base coverage, covering up most of that dark original finish. Once we have all this covered, then we're going to be ready to distress it. While the paint is still wet, go ahead and rub some of the paint off using a paper towel. If the paint begins to dry, you can go back in with a sanding block to remove some of the paint. Once this is done, you're going to use some clear wax and just buff it out. And now add your lampshade back and you have a beautiful new coastal looking lamp.